In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Wix website link. This is a quick, practical walkthrough to get your live website link ready to share with clients, teammates, or on social media. Even if you're brand new to Wix, by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to copy, with a few helpful tips to avoid common mistakes. First, make sure your site is actually live. In the Wix editor, look to the top right and click Publish. Publishing takes your current draft and makes it viewable on the web. Think of Save as keeping your work in progress, and Publish as pushing those changes to your public site. If this is your first time publishing, Wix will assign your site a web address. If you've connected a custom domain, that address will use your domain. If not, Wix provides a free Wix site URL so you can still share it right away. You can use Preview to check layout and links before you publish, but only publishing makes it accessible to others. After you click Publish, wait a moment for the confirmation. This ensures everything is live. If you see options related to connecting a domain, that's normal. You can proceed with the free Wix address or your custom domain depending on your setup. Once the site is published, copy the live link. When the confirmation window appears, you'll see a button to view the site and the website URL. Click to open the live site in a new tab, then copy the address directly from your browser, or use the copy option in the confirmation window if it's shown. Another quick way, if you're already in the editor, is to open the site menu and choose View Live Site, then copy the URL from the address bar. You can also find the link from your Wix dashboard by opening your site and copying the published domain displayed there. No matter which route you take, make sure the link you copy is the public site link, not an editor or dashboard link. Before sharing, test the link in a private or incognito window to see exactly what visitors will experience. If a page is password protected or member only, your viewers will be asked to log in. Otherwise, they should land right on your public page. Remember, after you make design or content updates, click Publish again so the live link shows your latest changes. The link itself usually stays the same. It's the content behind it that updates. That's it. Publish, then copy the live URL, and you're ready to share your Wix website with confidence.